Okay, it's time to learn simple past tense. The name of the tense is pretty much self-explanatory. We're going to learn how to talk about past events. In this video, I'll show you how to use the verb be in the past. If I say, I am late for work, it's in the present. I am late. He is scared. It's also the present. He is scared. There are lots of papers on his table. It's also present. There are. Let me remind you that is, am, and are the present forms of the same verb, be. Now, the past forms of be are was and were. Repeat after me. Was, were. Was is used for singular nouns. Were is used for plural nouns. I was. He was. She was. It was. You were. They were. We were. There is a car in the driveway is present. There was a car in the driveway yesterday is the past. I am late is the present. I was late is the past. He is scared is the present. He was scared is the past. In questions, be and subject trade places. I was late. Was I late? We were hungry. Were we hungry? There were lots of people at the party. Were there lots of people at the party? How many people were there at the party? And to make a negative sentence, we use was not, or a contracted form wasn't, and were not, or a contracted form weren't. Were you home yesterday? No, I wasn't home yesterday. I was at work. Was he at work last Sunday? No, he wasn't at work last Sunday. He was home. We weren't hungry after party yesterday. They weren't scared of that bear. Very easy. Now let's have some practice. Repeat after me. Tonight. Tonight. Yesterday. Yesterday. The day before yesterday. The day before yesterday. 2 days ago. 2 days ago. Last. Last. Last week. Last week. Last month. Last month. Last year. Last year. Tired. Tired. Get tired. Get tired. Be afraid. Be afraid. Dark. Dark. The dark. The dark. Light. Light. Alright, let's do it one more time. Tonight. Tonight. Yesterday. Yesterday. The day before yesterday. The day before yesterday. 2 days ago. 2 days ago. Last. Last. Last week. Last week. Last month. Last month. Last year. Last year. Tired. Tired. Get tired. Get tired. Be afraid. Be afraid. Dark. Dark. The dark. The dark. Light. Light.